Hello, my name is Valentina and I'm here to introduce you to a very special company called Vinna Macro. It is a very special eco-friendly company which tries to protect the environment as much as they can while trying to achieve their goal of designing and producing water treatment related equipment and facilities. And it's a very small to medium-sized company, and it is very special in the dehydration field. Vinna Macro was recognized as a venture company in 2010 and has been making continuous effort to develop products by obtaining NEP, New Product Certification, in 2012 and 2013. It was designed as a promising small to medium-sized company, and it has a number of patient technologies as a technology leading in future operating field. Today I will introduce you a couple of products that you will see right in front of you. It is a Slit Separator and unparalleled sludge consolidator. An innovative operating principle of Slit Separator requires very low operating costs while ensuring effective separation in many sludge concentrations. This product was developed to compensate for clogging that occurs during treating sludge, which is a disadvantage in dehydration that occurs currently in the market. Usually requires a lot of washing water, it has a lot of residues and a lot of oil as well. The slow-moving disc smoothly moves the sludge through the separation surface to achieve high capacity and excellent loss rate. Slit Separator can batch sludge fully automated operation. Sludge technology can be expanded to suit different applications and different amounts of material, which is absolutely amazing. And the facilities have specialized performance on removing oil-rich food, factory wastewater aggregates, and they try to not waste washing water. They're trying to be very open about what their company does, how it works. They say they don't wear blindfolds, so it's all open, it's all up in the air. It has a superior stable processing and ability to return collateral. It's easy to maintain, it's easy to operate, and it's very important in this field, which is a little bit complicated at times. And it is suitable for oily food factories, meal centers, fish and shellfish, and washing wastewater. The waste fluid is crusher wastewater treatment. You can use it in a concentration or dehydration. Waste assets extraction machine, multi-purpose crushing dryer. The dead shaft extinguisher is another product that I'm gonna introduce to you. It's a special blade that enables both stirring and crushing, which is the partners have applied, and when organic matter is put in, crushing and stirring are performed simultaneously. In addition, a large amount can be put in wide inlet at a time, and organic matter is finally discharged into powder, absolute, very fine powder, sterilizing in high heat, which is absolutely crucial in such process. The heat comes up to 170 degrees Celsius and higher. Crushing pyrolysis extension is very consistent. It's not only closed or word in the box, but it's also shielding and crushing and destroying all that's inside. Again, it's a very fine powder that would be sterilized, and it would be easy to deal with. It's a very compact type as well, apart from other companies. This one is pretty small in its own range in this field. You also can put the whole thing in the wide open space, and there was no damage can be done to it. Then comes the MultiPurpose crushing extinguisher. It has a large capacity treatment that can be processed with twin shaft carving and carved at the top. In order to minimize the odor that obviously comes with such things, During the fermentation process, the interior was sealed and deodorized with a catalyst deodorizer. You might not want to smell all the things. You obviously have to do the food waste, but the fact that the odor is absolutely unbearable if you don't conceal it is, well, something you have to deal with in the deodorization field. But thanks to the deodorizer process, it's very nice. You can be breathing surely even in the concealed space that you would probably be. It can be applied to organic waste fields as well. It is possible to maintain the minimum power ratio by using self-heating, which is caused by microbial fermentation. You know how the compost also produces some heat. It's the same system. The heat produces itself, so you don't have to put any additional effort into it. The loss rate is up to 70% possible. It is, there's a shredded part that you can take care of large amounts of waste, like tons of it. Maintaining the minimum power cost of self-heating is very low due to the microbial fermentation that I told you about, the one that goes in compost camps, the one that people use sometimes in the garden. It's the same type of technology. The fermentation process is very, very heat excessive. It's seal type, and a catalyst deodorizer to reduce odor is also a very crucial part of this specific product. And the automatic driving of the product itself is truly convenient. Also, the reduction rate, I'm sure you've heard 70%. It is absolutely impeccable. This product received Minister of Trade, Industry Award and the Minister Environment Award. So lots of recognition, and it is truly great that this kind of thing can be developed in the new environment. The certification of promising SMEs and designation of promising expert SMEs. Obtaining a number of patient utility mode and trademark rights are not that easy to do, yet this wonderful company, Vinna Macro, is received it all, and it has been operating based on solid trust with customers. Pacification on top priority. To facilitate technology development, they invest more than 5% of their sales in future items of R&D expenses. In addition, Vinna Macro is researching and developing a food fermentation treatment machine to sell and use a new product very soon. Can't wait for this one, and I'm sure you would be glad to meet the Vinna Macro company and endorse it. Thank you for listening to me, and bye.